Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will start the lecture for class 6. Exercise is 4C. We start with question number 5. Question number 5. Part A. We do the part B for you. Minus 1 by 3. Inside bracket 6 P plus Q minus 3 P minus 2 into P minus 3Q. Now, first of all, we open the round bracket. 1 by 3 6P plus 6Q minus 3 P minus 2P minus plus 6Q. Now, minus 1 by 3 6P plus 6Q minus 3 1P minus 2P 1P plus 6Q. Now open this bracket. 1 by 3 6P 6Q minus plus minus plus 3P minus 18Q. Now add the like terms. 6P minus 3P 6Q minus 18Q. 1 by 3 6 minus 3P plus and minus 12Q. Now minus 1 by 3 multiply by 3P minus plus 1 by 3 multiply by 12P. 3 ones 3 ones 3 1 3 4 minus 1P plus 4Q or P minus P plus 4Q. Now, question number 6, part A. 7 x plus 3 divided by 2 plus 5 into 2x minus 5 divided by 3. Now, here denominator is 2, here denominator is 3. LCM will be 6. How? 2 minus 3, 2 ones, 2 times 6, LCM is 6. Now, to make them 6, 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 6, multiply 3 here. 3 2 times 6, multiply 2 here as well. 3 7 21. 10 21x plus 63 divided by plus 20x minus 50 divided by 6. Both are 6. 21x plus 63 20x minus 50. Arrange the like terms. You will be 41x plus minus plus 13 by 6. Now, part F. Part F. 2 into x plus 3 divided by 5 minus 1 by 2 plus 3x minus 4 divided by 2. Now, divided by 4, divided by 4. Now, LCM is 5, 2 and 4. LCM, 2 ones 2. 2 ones 2. 5. 2 times 4, 4 into 5, give you 20. LCM is 20. 2 into x plus 3, we make it 20. 5 into 4, give you 20. Multiply 4 as well as here. 2 multiply by 10 here. 20. Multiply 10 here as well. 4 5 20. Multiply 5 here as well. 8 x plus 3 20. 10 by 20. 5 into 3x minus 4 divided by 20. Or 20. 20. 8 into x plus 3 minus 10 plus 5 into 3x minus 4. Open the brackets. 8x plus 24 minus 10. 15x minus 20 divided by 20. Arrange the like terms. 8x plus 15x plus 24 minus 10 minus 20 divided by 20. 15 plus 8 give you 23x. Give you plus 14 minus 20 divided by 20. 23x plus minus give you minus 4 minus 6 divided by 20. Now I am giving you homework now. Question 5. Part number A. Question number 6. Part B, C, D, E, G, H and I and J. It's your homework now. Do it by yourself. Any problem, then call to me. Thank you. God bless you.